Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today again I'm here with my cold process soaps, and this time today we will be making cold process liquid soap. So this is a totally different procedure. These are my oils. I have added avocado oil, rice bran oil and coconut oil. These are the three ingredients here, and I have my lye water. Now this is a different lye. This is not sodium hydroxide, it is potassium hydroxide, okay, that is KOH. So for hard soaps we use NaOH, and for liquid soaps we use KOH. NaOH is sodium hydroxide, and whereas for liquid soaps it is potassium hydroxide. So this is the soap, the oil. I have warmed it up, and let's see what is the temperature. It is 199. All right, and my water is also 98. Right, so this is the just perfect time for the mixing. So now I will be just mixing the soap, the lye water with my oils. I am making a cold process. So cold process means I will be leaving after blending it. I will be leaving it for few hours and then I will come back. This is the procedure how I do it. But generally, if you find in any YouTubes or somewhere, the processing they keep it in the heat, and then they keep on grinding and till the time they find the perfect paste for it. But I do it this way. This is also the way you can make your cold process soap. Instead of heating it and the hot process, doing the hot process way, you can always leave it for say overnight or 7 to 8 hours, and then you can always check the transparency. So I have mixed it, and let's start the blending. For this you need a nice stick blender. So this is my stick blender, and please excuse me for the sound. I will just mute it and complete the blending first in a fast forward way. You can see it is converting into a mashed potato paste kind of like the look is going to be. You have to keep blending till it looks like a mashed potato. Still it is in a dropping consistency, so I'll be blending it again and in a fast forward mode. So this is how the paste will look after a few hours of curing. I just left it after whipping it well. I just left it for curing, and it came up to this consistency. Now I will be leaving this paste for 2 to 3 weeks. I'll fill up in a jar and I'll just leave it in for curing. See, this is how it will look. It will become transparent slowly in 2 or 3 weeks, and then it is ready to use. You can dilute it in water, and that's it. So you can keep it preserved. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and share my channel with your friends and family. Till then, take care of your health, stay at home, and stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.